Hey folks, today I've got a delicious recipe for you, spinach and mushroom pancakes. They're amazing, so try making them at home. Here's the ingredient list. You'll find it in the video description, along with a link to my blog with all of my recipes. First, let's make the pancakes. Use your favorite recipe. We need about 10. You'll find my pancake recipe in my profile description. Next, fry a large onion in oil or butter and wait for it to brown. Then add half a kilo of diced mushrooms. Cook until the mushrooms release their water. Add 200 g of fresh baby spinach and wait for it to wilt. Finally, add 2 pressed garlic cloves, salt and pepper to taste. Mix well, then set aside the filling to cool. Once cooled, add 100 sun-dried tomatoes from brine cut into smaller pieces, then 100 g of grated mozzarella. Mix it all for the filling. Now we can stuff the pancakes. This filling is enough for 10 pancakes. We can fold them into envelopes like I did, or make rolls, whatever you prefer. Roll them up and we'll fry them in butter or oil. We can also make them as croquettes by coating in egg and breadcrumbs. I fried them until golden on both sides without breading. Serve with your favorite sides. I used garlic sauce. Very tasty. Ingredient list in video description. Thanks. Enjoy.